Welcome everyone to my another video in the series of debilitated planets. I'm going to talk about planet Sun today. We all know that Sun is the king of the solar system and it is the most important planet. While we are doing a chart reading, we happen to see the promises with respect to our ascendant, which is the desires of our selves, and then we will see the combinations with respect to planet Moon by placing it in the ascendant. And after that, we have to place Sun in the ascendant. We have to rotate the entire chart, keep the Sun in the ascendant, and then see the promises that are there in your chart. And if Sun is also approving of those promises, and Moon is also approving, and your ascendant is also approving, then there is no stopping back for you. Because Sun is the energies of your soul. Sun is the confidence to achieve those things. But if Sun is not supporting you, you are failing to have that confidence, your soul is not approving you to achieve those things in your life, then it becomes very difficult for you to get those things which are promised in your horoscope. Planet Sun becomes debilitated in the sign of Libra at 10 degrees. This is the highest state of its debilitation. Under this condition, the person will undergo a lot of suffering in his life. There could be a threat to his health also, and there could be some major upheavals that he will have to go through in his life. Sun becomes debilitated in the sign of Libra at 10 degrees. Starting from 23 degrees 20 minutes from Virgo to 6 degrees 40 minutes in the sign of Libra, Chitra Nakshatra is ruling. And starting from 6 degrees 40 minutes to 20 degrees in the sign of Libra is the Swati Nakshatra falling, where at 10 degrees your Sun will become debilitated, and in the later degrees the nakshatra of Vishakha is falling. So when Sun happens to be at that 10 degree mark, it is ruled by the nakshatra of Swati, which is ruled by planet Rahu. So Libra is a airy sign, and Swati nakshatra is ruled by Rahu, which is also a airy planet, and Sun is a fiery planet. So you can understand that the fire element of Sun will be blown off by the influence of Rahu and by the influence of this airy sign of Libra. So that can be considered as one of the reasons why Sun will become extremely weak here. So all the attributes of Sun will be blown off by the fiery nature of Rahu and the fiery sign of Libra, which is controlled by Venus. Sun will not suffer that much in the Chitra Nakshatra in the initial degrees when it is ruled by planet Mars, because Mars is also a fiery planet. So here Sun is still able to perform. And in the later degrees, after the 20 degree mark in the Libra sign, the Vishakha Nakshatra will operate up till 3 degrees 20 minutes in the sign of Scorpio. So Vishakha Nakshatra is ruled by planet Jupiter. So Jupiter is also one of the fiery planets. So what happens? Sun will not suffer that much in the Vishakha Nakshatra, and Sun will suffer the most in the Swati Nakshatra, which is controlled by Rahu. So friends, you can also consider this condition as a person which has entered into a kingdom where you will see that the king is sitting on the throne. The king is getting all the powers. People are recognizing him. People are knowing him very well. Everybody knows this king. He doesn't need to do much, yet he is getting all the respect. He is authority in himself, and all the people who are well recognized in his kingdom, they know him and they give him respect. And king is like a father figure to his entire state. People, they rely on this king, they depend on this king, and he looks after them with love and affection. So you can understand that planet Sun is associated with father, with king, with authority, with fame, with confidence, and with his statehood. So state comprises of people to whom king will consider as his children. So a male child is denoted by planet Sun in the astrological terms. So when Sun becomes debilitated, now you can imagine the other scenario where this king has lost his kingdom in a war and he happens to enter that kingdom in a very shattered state. He enters and nobody is recognizing him. He goes from people to people. He tells them, listen, I am the king. I was the king. Nobody wants to listen to him. He will have to do something. He will have to perform so that people are able to recognize that yes, he is the king. And he has lost his confidence. He has lost his authority. And if he enters into the kingdom, nobody would want to be around him because they will tell him to go away. So what happens with a debilitated Sun is that the person will lose his confidence, the person will lose his power, the person will have problems with the authority figure, and he will have to go from people to look for approval, to look for recognition. So here your confidence becomes extremely low. You will have problems with the seniors, with your bosses, and even with your children. Sometimes you may suffer a bad name or some kind of stress due to your Sun, because Sun is considered as the Karka for planet Sun. By Sun I mean to say the male child. And also I have seen people who have a debilitated Sun, their fathers will have a low status from the beginning, unless there is a cancellation where they will rise to a very high status. So a debilitated Sun will give a low status to your father, or you can say a humble status in his career. So father will undergo a suffering, and sometimes you may have problems in your adjustment with your father. Now besides these things, Sun also controls your hair. So what happens is, when the Sun is weak here, you will suffer lots of hair loss. And Sun also controls your eyes. So what will happen is, you will have issues related to your eyes. The other thing that Sun controls is your bones. So you will have frequency of fractures or bone injuries, or your bones will have low strength. So you will have problems related to your skeletal system, because the entire skeletal system is made up of bones. And the back is also to be recognized by the 7th house here. So in the Kalpurush chart, the Libra sign falls in the 7th house. So what happens is, these people will have problems related to their backs or related to their bones. So I have seen that even in a different ascendant, which is not a Kalpurush chart, in a ascendant, say for example a Scorpio ascendant, the 7th house is ruled by Taurus. Even if your Sun is placed in that sign, in the Taurus sign, but in your 7th house, you will suffer like a debilitated Sun. You will look for approval from others. You will have problems in your relationships, even in your marriage life. In your married life, you will face issues with a debilitated Sun also, and with the Sun placed in your 7th house, because Sun in the sign of Libra makes the person very diplomatic. You will find it very hard to offend others, but you will always want to make people happy, so that they give you approval that yes, you are something. You will always try to impose yourself on others with the debilitation of Sun. So there are issues with respect to your bosses also. So under this, I would recommend that you should try to find a job if you have a debilitated Sun, because working as an authority figure, you will have difficulties in adjustment with people who are working for you, because here you will find it hard to regulate them, and there is a very fair chance that they may not be very hardworking lots, and there you would have problems. So your juniors will give you problems, and it is always good if you can do some kind of a job where you do not have to report to your seniors, and that will help you a lot. So there are various ways through which you can try to come out of the negative effects of the debilitated sun. First and the foremost is to chant the Aditya Hriday Stotra, one of the most powerful mantras of planet sun. Then there is this Bij mantra of planet sun. Then you can also offer water to the rising sun. That will also increase the confidence and increase the fire energy within you. You should try to be nice to your father, and you should always be nice to your seniors and even to your juniors, and never try to go against the wishes of your father. Try to make him happy, and in that way you will attain the strength of your weak sun. You can consume jaggery, because jaggery is a product of planet sun. You can wear copper, you can even wear ruby if your chart permits you to wear, because these are some of the things which are associated with planet sun. So when the energies are weak, you can enhance their energies. If your ascendant doesn't permit you to wear a ruby, then you can consume the items of planet sun, or you can chant the mantras of sun. You can also do Surya Namaskar in the morning, which will be very beneficial for you, and it will improve your bone health and your overall health also. So friends, this was all about the planet sun in debilitation. Stay connected, and very soon I'm going to present before you my next video on the debilitation of planet Jupiter. So goodbye friends.